Hello friends, today I'm going to show how to download Anaconda in your personal PC. I'm opening Google. Type over here Anaconda. Here we have individual edition. Type on individual edition. Go to last. And you have 64-bit and 32-bit. Okay. If you know, you can choose 64-bit or 32-bit. I don't know, that's why I'm going to type over here bit. It's showing me 64-bit. I'm going to type out that platform 64-bit. Okay, mine is 64. I know it. Type on 64 and it's downloading. Actually, I already downloaded Anaconda. There's Anaconda over here. Type on Anaconda. It's loading currently. Okay, my Anaconda is opened. Are you a Python developer? There is a Jupyter notebook. Type on launch. Also, there is PyCharm also. Okay. Type over here new Python 3. And you can type print space hi. Run. You can see it printed hi. Okay friends, another video I will show how to download PyCharm in your PC. If you want to see more videos, like, share and subscribe to Despacito. Thank you.